Disney finds their newest Cinderella. Details coming up. Hi everyone, I'm Tatiana Carrier. Disney has had a little bit of trouble finding the right actress to star in their upcoming live-action reboot of the classic. Harry Potter star Emma Watson seemed to be the perfect match, but unfortunately the deal never went through. Now Variety's reporting that a lesser-known actress will fill those glass slippers, and that actress is 24-year-old Lily James. James is clearly a star on the rise, having recently joined the cast of PBS hit show Downton Abbey, playing Lady Rose McClare. Prior to that, the British actress starred in smaller flicks like last year's Fast Girls and a role in the big action flick Wrath of the Titans.
You're sweating like a human. Next, it'll be tears.
Oh, quite.
Now she'll stand on her own as a star of this modern-day Disney flick, with Kenneth Branagh at the helm. Cate Blanchett has also been cast to star opposite James as the not-so-angelic evil stepmother. Cinderella is set to begin production this fall with a 2014 release date. No word yet on who will be playing the prince who saves the damsel in distress. We'll have that casting news for you as soon as it drops, so make sure you guys subscribe below to get that video first. Another fairy tale turned live-action film returning to the big screen is Snow White and the Huntsman, starring Chris Hemsworth and Kristen Stewart. Click here to get the latest news, including when you can expect to see that. I'm Tatiana Carrier. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.